Welcome to our English class. I am Mrs. Pagar Vidya from Pimpalgaon High School, Pimpalgaon, Baswan District, Nasik. As I told you, we have divided the story into four parts. Now, this is the fourth and the last part of the story, The Boy Who Broke the Bank. In the previous part, we saw that the rumor that the bank was about to collapse spread everywhere like a forest fire. Now, people started gathering in front of the bank. Now, let's see what happens next. By noon, the small bank had gone through all its ready cash and the harassed manager was in dilemma. Emergency funds could only be obtained from another bank some 30 miles distant and he wasn't sure he could persuade the crowd to wait until then. And there was no way of contacting Seth Govindram on his houseboat in Kashmir. People were turned back from the counters and told to return the following day. They did not like the sound of that. And so they gathered outside on the steps of the bank shouting, "Give us our money or we will break in and fetch the set. We know he is hiding in a safe deposit locker." Mischief makers who didn't have a paisa in the bank joined the crowd and aggravated their mood. The manager stood at the door and tried to placate them. He declared that the bank had plenty of money but no immediate means of collecting it. He urged them to go home and come back the next day. See, by the afternoon, all the cash in the bank was finished, distributed, and the manager was confused. The customers were demanding their money back, and emergency funds were in another bank which was 30 miles away. And Seth Govindram was enjoying on a houseboat in Kashmir, and there was no way of calling him. So the manager told the people to come back the next day. But the people did not like this and they started threatening him that they will break in if he doesn't give them their money and claimed that the Seth was hiding in the safe deposit locker and asked the manager to fetch the Seth. Means fetch means bring the Seth. Some mischief or troublemakers who didn't have any money in the bank joined the crowd and started aggravating the people. Aggravate means uksavne lokanna to make them more annoyed. The manager tried to calm everybody and said that the bank had a lot of money but could not collect it immediately and asked the mob to go home for time being and come again the next day. Next paragraph. "We want it now," chanted some of the crowd. "Now, now, now." And a big brick hurtled through the air and crashed through the plate glass window of the People Nagar Bank. Nathu arrived next morning to sweep the steps of the bank. He saw the refuse and the broken glass, the stones cluttering the steps. Raising his hands in a gesture of horror and disgust, he cried, "Hooligans, sons of donkeys! As though it isn't bad enough to be paid late. It seems my work has also to be increased." He smote the steps with his broom, scattering the refuse. "Good morning, Nathu," said the washerman's boy, getting down from his bicycle. "Are you ready to take up a new job from the first of the next month, Govindram?" "You will have to, I suppose, now that the bank is going out of business." Look here. But the people were too angry. They shouted that they want their money immediately. And somebody even threw a brick and broke a glass window. Next morning, Nathu came to sweep and saw all the broken glass and stones. He got angry that it was bad enough that the bank was paying him late, but also increased his work. The washerman's boy appeared on his bicycle and wished Nathu a good morning and asked him if he was ready to take up a new job. Then he said that he will have to take the new job now that the bank was going out of business. Next paragraph. How's that? Said Nathu. Haven't you heard? Well, you would better wait here until half the population of people never arrives to claim their money. And he waved cheerfully. He did not have a bank account and sped away on his bicycle. Nathu went back to sweeping the steps, muttering to himself. When he had finished his work, he sat down on the highest step to await the arrival of the manager. He was determined to get his pay. Who would have thought the bank would collapse? He said to himself and looked thoughtfully into the distance. I wonder how it could have happened. Now see, Nathu didn't know about this and asked the washerman's boy how that happened. The washerman's son said that he will see when half the population of the people never will arrive to claim their money. He waved cheerfully at Nathu and sped away on his cycle. He was happy as he didn't have an account in the bank. Nathu completed his work and sat down on the steps waiting for the manager to come so he can get his pay. He wondered that who would have thought the bank would collapse? He wondered how it could have happened. Now the story ends here. The lesson we learn from this story is that we must not indulge ourselves into this business of spreading rumors. One must not become the part of spreading new rumors. Now students, we are going to see the new words from this story. Look here. Dilemma means a difficult situation. कोंडी किंवा द्विधा मनस्थिती. To obtain means to get. मिळवणे, प्राप्त करणे. Persuade means make someone to believe. खात्री पटवणे. Fetch means to bring. Aggravated means annoyed or made worse. जास्तच भडकवले. Placate means to pacify or stop someone from feeling angry. शांत करणे. Declared means announced, जाहीर केले. Urge means requested, विनंती केली. Chant means say in chorus, say in group, एकत्रित ते ओरडले, बोलले. Hurtlet means moved with great speed. दगड भिरकावल्यानंतर तो जसा सू आवाज करीत जातो त्याला हर्टलेट. Refuge means rubbish or garbage. Refuge. Next, cluttering means spreading on, पसरलेले, विखुरलेले. Disgust means hatred or strong disapproval, चीड. Hooligans means bully or person who uses strength or power to harm the weaker people. गुंड, hooligans. Smote means stroke hard or knocked, प्रहार केला. Muttering means murmuring, स्वतःशीच पुटपुटत. Determined means having made a firm decision, निश्चय केला. Students, if you liked my videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment, like and share these videos with your friends. I will be there with the next poem very soon. Till then, goodbye.